County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Banks County in northeastern Georgia, eastern Clark County in northeastern Georgia, northeastern Jackson County in northeastern Georgia, northwestern Wilkes County in east-central Georgia, Oglethorpe County in northeastern Georgia, Madison County in northeastern Georgia, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Banks Crossing to Diamond Hill to Farmington, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Commerce, Watkinsville, Danielsville, Lexington, Athens, Maysville, Nicholson, Cummer, Winterville, Crawford, Colbert, Tignall, Bostwick, Arnoldville, Ela, Carlton, Bishop, Maxey's, Hall, and Whitehall. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.